Farfetch, FTCH, Earnings Release Analysis. August 17, 2023 Post-Market. Please like, share and comment on this video. Appreciate your support. Disclaimer. This video is only for technical education purpose. Results does not promote or recommend any investment or trading action. Farfetch is scheduled to report their earnings on August 17, 2023 after market close. Market is expecting a flat earnings compared to same quarter a year ago, but higher revenues expected. High fashion demand should help Farfetch to boost their revenues. Revenues are expected to be $657.12 million, an increase of 13.4% from same quarter a year ago. Farfetch beat the estimate in the last reported quarter by producing a loss of 16 cents, better than expected loss of 27 cents EPS, giving a surprise increase of plus 40.74%. In this video I will be looking at some of Farfetch fundamental data and use technical analysis to see how the share price have been trading prior to its financial result release. Farfetch, FTCH, Earnings Data. In the last quarter, Q1 2023, Farfetch reported a loss of 16 cents per share. They are expected to post quarterly loss of 28 cents per share in its upcoming result. I would foresee Farfetch to beat the estimate and reported a loss of around 20 cents to 22 cents instead. Farfetch, FTCH, Earnings History. Over the last two quarters, Farfetch has beaten consensus EPS estimates. With better revenues expected, I would expect Farfetch to have a better than expected EPS. There might be significant improvement to their total revenue as well. Farfetch, FTCH, Insider Transactions. Corporate insider have offload shares in the last 3 months, but if we look at the data, the transactions should be in August 2023. Though the amount is not so significant, I would look at how hedge funds are looking at Farfetch as well. Farfetch, FTCH, Hedge Funds Holdings. Hedge funds have offloaded 16.5 million shares in the last quarter. This could be due to the worries of slowing of luxury fashion demand. Consumers might cut down on luxury fashion spending in the wake of higher borrowing interest rates. But economy have picked and hence demand should be back. Farfetch, FTCH, Year-to-date earnings. Farfetch has given a more than 9% growth YTD. With the ongoing interest rate hike campaign, I think Farfetch would need demand to improve in order to continue the growth. There might be a chance that demand for Farfetch high fashion going slow because of China economy slowdown and US economy with some uncertainty. Consumers would target their spending more on essential, only consider luxury items if their finances have surplus. Farfetch, FTCH, Pivot Points. Currently the traded price is below the pivot point. This could mean that there might be selling if the financial results turned out to be worse than last quarter. But we cannot only rely on one indicators, we could look at other indicators to see how Farfetch fare in its share price prior to financial result reporting. Technical analysis, simple moving averages, SMA. SMA has shown that bull trend just appear, but for the bull trend to continue or move it higher, we would need to look out for a positive financial result with a better than expected revenues and EPS. Look like analysts are bullish on its earnings prospects. Technical analysis, Relative Strength Index, RSI. RSI is within 30 and 70 and we can see it heading towards oversold. This suggests that there might be some buying on August 17 trading before the result release. I will be monitoring the price action closely as I expect some bullish sentiment from market. Technical analysis, Average Directional Index, ADX. ADX is below 20 indicating a weak trend and D is above plus D suggest a bearish downside. Though positive results are expected, but it looked like a slightly better than expected result might not be enough. There are still economic tailwinds which could affect Farfetch sales. Technical analysis, parabolic SAR, SAR. Similar to ADX, SAR is showing Farfetch in a bearish downwards trend. To look forward to a potential bullish reversal, I would think Farfetch need to show that they can beat the EPS estimate and revenues like in Q1 2023. Summary. Based on what I have observed, Farfetch could be still in a bearish trend and selling might happen prior to its earnings result release. I will be looking out for their revenues and EPS and compared it to how it has fared in Q1 2023. This could give us an idea how Farfetch might perform whether there is an earnings beat or not. Something I always keep in mind, an earnings beat or miss may not be the sole basis for a stock moving higher or lower. Many stocks has shown to end up losing ground despite an earnings beat due to other factors that disappoint investors. Unforeseen factors could act as catalysts to help the stock gain despite an earnings miss. Appreciate if you could share your thoughts in the comment section whether you think Farfetch would show an impressive result and the share price surge after its result reporting. Disclaimer. This video is only for technical education purpose. Results does not promote or recommend any investment or trading action. Please like, share and comment on this video. Appreciate your support.